it's hugely rewarding.
It is very exciting.
I feel so privileged.
There are so many things about my job that are my favourite thing about it.
I can't even actually remember how many years I've been doing it. That's how much I enjoy it.
It's a great place to work. It's a great job to have.
Favourite part of my job is probably the diversity.
So you never quite know what you're going to be dealing with.
And you discover passions for things that you don't know you had.
We're an organisation, big university, a whole lot of capability, so the opportunities
that are coming out of these institutes is really globally competitive.
I've always wanted to be a scientist.
Being able to solve people's challenges.
To take what we think is a cool product.
A new way that can help such a wide range of people.
The validation of the idea has to be done really early.
So make sure that the science is connected to business.
Making something useful.
That makes the deal a lot easier to do.
To use both our competitive and also comparative advantage.
And then come and take those to market with a big bang.
Making a startup company requires a lot of effort and also courage.
It's not necessary that every good idea actually gets to the market.
We've always been a bit entrepreneur, a risk taker.
And one of the hardest things is to scale up to be at the level that the industry needs it to be.
And I think everyone has learnt a lot along the way.
All those things shape you.
When we see science actually commercially translate,
we can really see the real impact of our technology.
Really reinforced by the excitement that we get back from some of our international partners.
That was something new, something exciting, and something that, we'll continue to like to do.
To play on the global scene, you have to be innovative.
It's ideal if we can find a customer in New Zealand to start with, but more often than not, we're going to have to go offshore.
And talk about genuine innovation.
Not just because of the disruptive nature of doing something new,
but making sure that our components are integrated into other companies' products as well.
Ideas have an infinite reach, whereas raw materials don't.
You're essentially exporting knowledge.
Because that's where our biggest potential lies.
Everybody says you have to go overseas. I wanted to do good science so the world would come to New Zealand.
That allows us to attract really, really great people. It has been a team effort.
Like doing a deal is nice, but at the end of the day, it's all about who you've got around you.
We've had so much help from the ecosystem around New Zealand startups.
So it's kind of like a family, and collaboration and teamwork. It's not about competition.
And the results speak for themselves.
The thing about New Zealand was that for a while there, we wanted to be like somebody else. We can just be like New Zealand because we're actually quite good at this stuff once we focus on it.
So yeah, we're pretty happy with it. I like my job.
And I think it's in a really good space now.
Luckily, I didn't have to sell my car.